Hello students, today we are going to study about Science Class 8 Chapter 7 Cell Structure and Function. Topics to be covered: discovery of cell, variation in the size and number of the cell, structure of a cell, functions of different cell organelles, difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, difference between plant cell and animal cell. Discovery of cells. Cells were discovered by an English scientist named Robert Hooke in 1665. He observed a slice of cork under his microscope and saw many box-like structures that resembled a honeycomb-like arrangement. He also observed that one box was separated from the other by a wall. What Hooke saw as boxes or cells in the cork were actually dead cells. Leeuwenhoek was the first to observe a living cell. So cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke, but first living cell was discovered by Leeuwenhoek. Cell building block of the life. Every organism begins its life from a single cell. This cell multiplies several times and later form the whole organism. The cell is also known as building block of life. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of an organism, just like brick is the basic structural unit of a wall. The cell is the basic unit of life. When a group of cells to join to perform a specific functions, it is called a tissue. Many tissue group together to form an organ, such as heart, brain and stomach, etc. A group of organs perform a function together to form an organ system, such as muscular system, circulatory system, digestive system, etc. Many such organ systems work together in a living organism. Variation in numbers. Organisms consisting of a single cell are called unicellular organisms. This single cell performs all life-sustaining activities such as digestion, excretion, reproduction, movement, and respiration. For example, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, and some bacteria are example of unicellular organism. An organism consisting of many cells are called multicellular organisms. Cells join to form tissue and organs, each of which perform a specific function. Different cells perform different functions. Most plant and animal, including human being, are multicellular organisms. Here it's a slide of onion peel cells seen under a microscope. Variation in shape. Cells that perform different functions, so variation in their shape. They can be spherical, spindle shaped, means pointed at the both the ends, cylindrical, elongated with projection, or biconcave disc shape. So red blood cell, it is biconcave cell. Smooth muscle cells, spindle shaped, ovum cell, bone cell, sperm cell, and here it's nerve cell. Structure of animal cell. All living cells that have the same structural organization with a few changes in plant and animal cell. The basic structure of a cell include a cell membrane or plasma membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Cell membrane or plasma membrane, it is a thin elastic membrane surrounding the cell. It protects the cell and give it a shape. It is semi-permeable, which means it is selectively allow the material to go in and out of the cell. All the material of the cell that is enclosed by the cell membrane is called the protoplasm. Nucleus. It is referred to as the brain of the cell, and nucleus control all the major activities of the cell. It is the largest and most important part of the cell, and it is surrounded by a nuclear membrane which is porous and allow the movement of molecules from the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, a dense fluid called nucleoplasm is present. Golgi apparatus, or it's also called Golgi complex or Golgi bodies. It is made up of many flattened stacked sac-like structure located near the nucleus, and it is responsible for packaging, modifying and transporting protein and fats to different parts of the cell. They are more in number in plant cell, and they also synthesize lysosomes. Mitochondria, they are small rod-like or spherical double membrane bound organelles. The cellular respiration is where the energy rich molecules are released by breaking down of sugar molecules. This reaction occur in mitochondria. Hence they are known as the powerhouse of the cell. Muscle cells need a lot of energy, so they have many mitochondria. Endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum are a network of tubules which are involved in synthesis, storage and transportation of substances within the cell. They also aid in protein synthesis. Then ribosomes, they are small granular structures scattered in the cytoplasm and are responsible for the protein synthesis. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are fluid-filled sac-like structure. They are stored excess food and water that a cell uses to survive harsh conditions. They also store waste inside them, which are eventually sent out of the cell. In plant cell, vacuoles are much larger than in animal cell. Lysosomes. They contain chemical substance called enzymes that can digest both the material present inside and outside of the cell. The strong enzymes are capable of bursting and destroying the cell during the emergency condition. Lysosomes are known as suicidal bag of the cell. Centrosomes. Centrosomes are small organelles seen in animal cell, and they play an important role in cell division. Now, structure of plant cell. Plant cell also contains cell membrane, but beside cell membrane, plant cell contains cell wall. It is an extra layer present outside the cell membrane. Plants are fixed in one place, have to face unfavorable condition and do not have any skeleton for support. The cell wall provides rigidity and protection to the plant cell. It is made up of cellulose. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. Plastids. They are double membrane bound cell organelles present only in plant cell. They are spherical or oval in shape. They have certain pigment that have specific functions depending upon the color. Plastids are of three main types. Chloroplast. They contain the green pigment chlorophyll, and it is the site of photosynthesis in plant and also help in the release of oxygen. Chromoplast. They are colored plastic. Other than chloroplast, they have red, yellow and orange pigment that provide color to fruits and flowers. Leucoplasts are colorless plastid and have to store starch, protein and fat. They are found in large number in the cell of fruits, seeds and tubers. Vacuoles, they are fluid-filled sac-like structure. They store excess food and water that a cell uses to survive harsh conditions. They also store waste inside them which are eventually sent out of the cell. In plant cell, vacuole are much larger than in animal cell. So there are many difference between plant cell and animal cell. Nucleus present both in plant cell as well as in animal cell. Cilia present in animal cell in some animals and it is very rare in plant cell. Shape, animal cell shape round irregular shape, but in plant cell rectangular fixed shape. Chloroplast, animal cell don't have chloroplast only present in plant cell because they make their own food as it contain chlorophyll. Cytoplasm present both in animal cell as well as in plant cell. Ribosome present both in animal cell as well as in plant cell. Mitochondria present both in animal cell as well as in plant cell. Vacuole, one or more small vacuole in animal cell, and in animal cell vacuole are much smaller than plant cell. In plant cell, one large central vacuole taking up of 90% of the cell volume. Plastid are absent in animal cell but present in plant cell. Golgi apparatus present both in plant as well as in animal cell. Cell wall, it is absent in animal cell but present in plant cell. Plasma membrane, in animal cell only cell membrane, but in plant cell wall and a cell membrane. Flagella may be found in some animal cell but in plant cell may be found in some plant cell. Lysosomes occur in cytoplasm but absent in plant cell. Eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. There are difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Prokaryotic, pro means primitive, karyon means nucleus. Prokaryotic cell are the cell that lack a well-defined membrane-bound nucleus. The genetic material freely floats in the cytoplasm. Some bacteria, cyanobacteria like Nostoc and Anabina are some example of prokaryotic cell. And in eukaryotic cell are the cell that have a well-defined membrane-bound nucleus. The genetic material is enclosed within the nucleus. All plants and animals have eukaryotic cell.